Hello everyone, this is Earth Science teacher Tim Martin and just got back from Hawaii with a geo etc. trip learning about Hawaii's active volcanoes. And as we were on the slopes of Mauna Loa Volcano looking at the colors of the lava, I got the idea for this lesson. I'd appreciate your feedback on it. So what I want to do to start off with is come into Google Earth and get some aerial imagery of Mauna Loa Volcano. Um, you may want to play around with the photograph history timeline, because some images are in black and white, some are better than others. I found this image from 2004 to show a nice variety of the different colors of the lava flow. Once you select an area that shows the varied lava flows, go ahead and save this image, take a screen capture of it and save it as a JPEG, and save it somewhere where you can find it. As we learned on the trip, you'll see that there are the different colors of lava, and we know that the more red ones or the orangier ones have oxidized longer, so therefore are older, and the blacker ones are younger lava flows. So once you have an image like this of some lava flows, the next thing you need to do is come over to get image J. Image J is put out by the National Institute of Health. If you just go to imagej.nih.gov, you can find this from the downloads, and it works on both Mac and Windows platforms. So download whatever works best for your machine. Once you have image J and you extract all the files, you're going to see a folder like this, and to open up the application, you need to click on this microscope icon. When you do that, the program will open, and the only thing you'll see is this small toolbar. That is the full program, and it's a very powerful image analysis tool. From this program, you're going to open up the image file of the lava flow that you saved. So I'm going to go to File, Open, and browse. I had saved this image on my desktop, so let's find the Mauna Loa lava flows. And here we go, Mauna Loa lava field. I'm going to open that up. Now, it's important that you don't maximize this window, and you need to have this open on your screen so that you can see your image and this toolbar. So this toolbar has lots and lots of tools that you can explore with, but for this I want to just do a simple color analysis. As you'll notice, anytime I move the cursor around, just the plus of the cursor gives me the RGB value in the lower line of the toolbar. So you'll see that there's an X position, a Y position, and then a value. And the value is listed as the RGB value. But more helpful than that will be to draw a box around some things. So I'm going to choose a representative lava feature that's fairly dark, like this. And when I choose this, I'm going to come up here to the plugins tool, then go down to Analyze, then RGB Measure. And that pulls up another dialog box here. And this dialog box shows me the mean or average red value, green value, and blue value for everything integrated within this square. So you can see the mean red value is a 52. Now I'm going to come over here and choose another representative area. So I'm going to draw a box around this area. And again, under Plugins, Analyze, RGB Measure, and you'll see now that my mean red value is 63. So when I was up in this zone, I had a mean red value of 52. Now I'm up to 63. This allows me to quantify how much reddening has happened for this lava. If I come over and do this a couple more times, let me select an area here from this more orange lava field. Again, plugins, analyze, RGB measure, and so we've gone from 52 to 63. Now we have a red value of 133. And finally, let's do a sample up in this region here. Again, plugins, analyze, RGB measure, and we've gone again from 52 to 63 to 133, and now we're at 168. By seeing this, we're seeing an increase of the red value, which is indicating that more of the iron-bearing minerals are oxidizing, and we can get an idea that this lava flow is older than this one over here in the corner, which is older than this one, which is older than the black one. This gives students a way to, instead of just saying this looks more red or it looks a little bit more this direction, we can actually make a quantitative measurement of how much the discoloration has happened due to oxidation. I'm sure there's a lot of other ways you could take this, but I'd be interested to hear what you and your students can come up with. So please share your ideas. Thank you.